Hello, I'm Iris from Retech Machinery Company in China. We focus on plastic recycling technology and machinery. Today we talk about the high-speed friction washer of fuel washing machine, suitable for processing LLDPE fuel and PP1 bags. The main function is to effectively remove sediment, glue, soil, and labels from the surface of the material. There are SKF and NSK bearings. They are safe and reliable. There is a root shaft in the feed bin and there are blades on the shaft. It has the effect of removing impurities from material. Water in the bin is used to clean the mesh screen. Screen material is stainless steel. Mesh is 3 millimeters. Now is a gin at the bottom for discharging slag. The rotation speed is 1,200 revolutions per minute. The output can reach 500 kilograms per hour, 1,000 kilograms per hour, and 2,000 kilograms per hour. The discharge point can be connected with spiral command. Today, let's offer the high-speed friction washer of fuel washing machine. If you want to know some other plastic recycling technology, you can leave a message to me. Thanks.